Hello everyone and welcome to Haruugami. Today I will be showing you how to use the masking tape method. I've learned this method before I started creating stuff out of beads. It's a very easy and good technique to use, and it will save us a lot of money, time and pegboards. So let's get started. For this method we will need a masking tape or painter's tape, a pair of tweezers to poke holes in our pattern, or you can use a pegboard as well. We will also need a parchment paper for ironing the pattern, and of course an iron. I'm using a small one, but you can use any iron you have. For today's pattern we are using 6 different colors, but you can choose any other colors you like and want to use. So first we will start by creating a pattern. For this video I will create a cute tiny Pokeball camera. It's a small and easy pattern to create, and the end result of it looks so great. Once we finished with the pattern, we will take a piece of masking tape and we will tape our pattern. If we will iron the pattern on the pegboard, at some point it will start to curve and it will ruin our board. This next step is an optional step, but poking holes in our tape will help the hot air from the iron go through much better, and it won't ruin and melt our pattern too much. Once we have finished poking the holes, all we've got left is just to iron the pattern. For a better result, you can use medium to maximum heat and apply a bit of pressure on your pattern. I like ironing both sides for a much stiffer result. After you've ironed, just put something heavy like books on top of your pattern so it won't curve. And that's it. Our Pokeball camera is ready and our pegboard is still in great condition. I hope this video helped you. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!